The topic that we are going to learn is Excel formulas. For understanding the Excel formulas, the first thing that we need to learn is sales. Now the question arises that what are the sales? For understanding the sales, first we need to learn is the horizontal line and the second is vertical line. This is the representation of horizontal line. So when I place a pen like this, it's a horizontal line. It makes a horizontal line. So when I make a pen stand up like this, it's a vertical line. So vertical line is like this. So these are the representations of horizontal and vertical line. Excel sheet is basically made up of all the horizontal and vertical lines intersecting each other. So this is the line and this line is intersecting it. This is the intersection point. So we have a lot of lines on Excel sheet like this, and these horizontal lines and vertical lines intersect at each other. This is the intersection point 1, intersection point 2, intersection point 3, 4, 5 and so on. We have a lot of intersection points. So the rectangular boxes that are made after the intersection are known as the cells. This is one particular cell. So the second thing that we need to learn is cell location. So here A, B, C, in this way up to Z alphabets are placed, and here into sides a lot of numbers are placed. So when we have to find the cell location, how we find it? We have to see what's above the box. What alphabet is above the box, above the rectangular box. So here we have A. So I will place A inside it, and then we will see what number is adjacent to that A. Here is 1. 1 is adjacent to that rectangular box known as cell. So I will place A1. Here B is above that, B, and 1 number is adjacent. See, 1 number is adjacent, 1. So let's talk about a specific cell now. For suppose I have N here